Good morning, students. Today, we can deal with one important part of B.Ed syllabus, that is, Taxonomy of Benjamin S. Bloom. It means Bloom's Taxonomy. Let us discuss the taxonomy of educational objectives, known as Bloom's Taxonomy. It is one of the most recognized learning theories in the field of education. And educators often use Bloom's taxonomy to create learning outcomes. Then they often use this taxonomy to make the objectives, learning outcomes. Then if we consider a B.Ed student, it is essential to know the taxonomy of Bloom. So, we can analyze the topic in detail. Bloom's taxonomy comprises mainly three domains. They are the cognitive, affective, and psychomotor, and assigns to each of these domains a hierarchy that corresponds to different levels of learning. So there are three domains: cognitive, affective, and psychomotor domains. It is important to note that the different levels of thinking defined within each domain of the taxonomy are hierarchical. In other words, each level subsumes the levels that comes before it. So, if we look at the cognitive domain, we can infer that before a student can conduct an analysis, they first might need to know the method of analysis, understand the different elements to review, and consider which method to apply. It is only then that they will be ready to conduct the analysis. Then, now we can deal with Bloom's taxonomy revise. In 2001, David Cradwell and co-editor Lauren Anderson published a revision to the hierarchy that is created by Benjamin S. Bloom in 1956 with contributions from cognitive psychologists, curriculum theorists, instructional researchers, and testing and assessment specialists. This new revised revision introduced a key change to the cognitive domain of Bloom's taxonomy. It shifted the language use from noun to verb and thereby focused the attention away from acquisition and toward active performance of the types of learning involved in each stage of the hierarchy. Synthesis was also dropped and create was moved to the highest level of the domain. So now the highest domain is create. To provide a deeper look at how Bloom's taxonomy works in practice, we break down each domain, the cognitive, affective, and psychomotor, in the following teaching tips. Cognitive domain. The cognitive domain is focused on intellectual skills. What are the intellectual skills? They are critical thinking, problem solving, and creating a knowledge base. It was the first domain created by the original group of Bloom's researchers. The cognitive hierarchy spans from simple memorization designed to build the knowledge of learners to creating something new based on previously learned information. Whatever we have learned earlier, on the basis of that knowledge, we are creating the new knowledge. In this domain, learners are expected to progress linearly through the hierarchy, beginning at remember and ending at create. So, we discussed that there are three domains: cognitive, affective and psychomotor. And it was created by Benjamin S. Bloom in 1956 and the revised one 2001, Kretwal and Anderson. Now we are using the verb form and we can discuss the other, that is affective and psychomotor domains in the next class. Okay, thank you.